Most people think YouTube success looks loud, bright thumbnails, high-energy creators, faces everywhere. But somewhere on the platform right now, there's a channel doing the exact opposite, and it's winning. No face, no personality branding, no filming setup, just quiet, unsettling videos that keep people watching far longer than they planned. This channel appeared only a few months ago. It makes approximately $18,000 this month from AdSense alone, and gained almost 453 million views in the last 28 days. And the most surprising part, every video is created entirely with AI, from the script to the voice to the visuals. Instead of chasing attention, this channel speaks directly to emotions that people rarely admit out loud. Emotional neglect, unspoken wounds, thoughts people quietly carry with them for years. These videos don't try to entertain you, they understand you. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate this step by step so you can start seeing results from your very first upload. I've dropped a full document with every prompt and tool I used. Grab it and follow along if you want it now. Like this video and comment Psychology Blueprint below, and I'll send it to you immediately. All right, let's dive in.
It starts quietly, not with shouting, not with chaos, but with absence. You remember the sound of rooms that felt emotionally empty, the way your presence didn't seem to register, the way no one asked the second question. You were there, but not noticed. As a child, you learned something subtle and devastating. That being unseen hurt less than being misunderstood. That asking for too much attention came with consequences. That disappearing was safer than being rejected. So, you adapted. You became easy, low maintenance, emotionally quiet.
Let's start with the video title, because in this niche, your title decides everything. Inside the document, I've added a specialized prompt that works as a viral title architect. Open ChatGPT, copy the title prompt, paste it in, and instantly, you'll get 20 viral title options based on psychological triggers, childhood wounds, hidden fears, personality traits, and dark psychology rules. For this tutorial, let's pick this title. Now let's move to the next step. This is the heart of the entire system. I created a second prompt that turns your title into a fully structured 15 to 20-minute script. Copy it from the document, paste it into ChatGPT, but don't hit send yet. Insert your chosen title. For this demo, I'll use the one we just selected. Now send it. Within seconds, you'll have your full script ready. Here's the million-dollar secret most creators miss. A good script becomes a visual masterpiece only when you generate images with precision, not guesswork. Go back to the document and grab the storyboard prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, add your full script, and hit send. This will break down your script into 20 to 22 visual scenes, each tied to the exact line in your narration. No more random images. This gives you a shot-for-shot blueprint. Next, let's make the voiceover for this niche. I prefer 11 Labs. Choose a deep, calm, authoritative voice. Drop the stability slightly for a more mysterious, gravelly tone. Paste your full script, click Generate, and once it sounds right, download your audio. Now let's generate the visuals. It sounds complex, but it's actually simple. Copy the image prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT, but don't send it yet. Take the first visual theme from your storyboard and add it to the prompt. Now hit Generate. You'll receive a perfectly detailed image prompt. Copy it and paste it into a free tool like ImageFX or Whisk. Choose your aspect ratio, click Generate, and let the AI work. Once you're happy with the image, download it. Now repeat the process for the next visual theme. Within minutes, you'll have 20 to 22 symbolic, emotionally powerful images, each aligned perfectly with your narration. If you're finding this helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps. Now let's jump into editing. Open CapCut and import everything, your voiceover and all the images you generated. Place the voiceover on the timeline first. Clean it up by removing unnecessary long pauses, but keep the natural breathing space so the narration feels human and thoughtful. Next, drag in your images and arrange them in the exact order of your storyboard. Add a soft cinematic filter to unify the visuals, and use gentle zooms and pans to create slow, emotional motion across every scene. For background music, layer a calm ambient soundtrack from CapCut or Pixabay. This gives the video a hypnotic, immersive flow, perfect for keeping viewers engaged for 10 to 15 minutes. Once everything looks good, hit export and choose the resolution you prefer. Now for the final piece, the thumbnail. This is where most creators fail, so pay attention. I've done the research. The best approach is to search Pinterest for abstract human figure art or expressive, emotional paintings. Choose an image that reflects the theme of your video. The channel we're analyzing uses this exact style, which means it works. After selecting your base image, bring it into Canva. Use a clean, readable font and add short, powerful text that matches the emotion of your video. Keep it minimal and symbolic. That's the style that performs best in this niche. And that's the entire system. From a single idea to a fully edited, published video using nothing but AI tools. This is exactly how you build an audience and create real income through meaningful, emotionally driven content. The blueprint is ready. Now it's your turn. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more niche breakdowns. See you in the next one.